So we have 499 here now. Drop to 9. You see? So these are noisy data. China, you don't collect this kind of data, you see? Those ones are actually noisy data. You can see highlighted ones. You need to ensure that they are stable. You see here we're having the chargeability of 486. Yeah? So, you see, drop down to 22. Huh? So this is the only data now we're having issue with. And this depth is very great depth. This is 5 something, 547 too. And let's see. Have you seen it? So it was noisy data. Then we'll have, let's look at this. Let's look at this. This is 636, right? Okay. And the current. Okay, current ID is Naira 99. But it dropped 498. Let's measure this. Didn't actually come down. You see? You measure 3 times, 4 times. It falls within the range. Still there, 490 something. So we can leave that one. We'll search for this again. We've done this before, I think so. Let's go here. There's no data here. You see? Why do you know there's no data there? How do you know? Because there is white. That is the white color. So looking at it, and the ID is 640. If we go back to the ID now, you see there is no data. So from your IP graph, you can actually identify where there is no data in the entire 1140 data points you've gathered. Yeah? So that's why it's showing white there. There's no data there. So you can retake the reading, yes. Okay, that is correct. So the essence of this window is you can see the picture of the entire data you've done in the image form. The red one shows you the very high ones. I'll try to retake. You can see the bars graduate from the blue to the red at the highest one. Here is 1238 as the chargeability. So, did he give us data there? Huh? We're having 40. We'll go to the next point. Okay, which other ones? We have highlights here. So the only data now that we've tried to bring down, and see if it's noisy, this is 670. We'll take this. This data is this point. So it's due not one. While you're doing, you need to make sure that the grounding is trying to touch the. It come down to porous spot. Well installed. Make sure the porous spot is well installed. So it will have a good contact. Push it inside. Okay. Actually, Okay, let's look at this data here. We're going to check something now. This is 495. We are suspecting that this might be noise. So you will see we need to, and at this depth too, there's bound to be noise, and also an edge effect. 188. Wow. It went up. It went up and changed this to yellow. This became the highest data value we have here. It's back to 433. So let's see if we can deal with this. We'll do this. We'll check. Now this is the IDs. This. Let's go back and see where it falls. If you look at this, this is 11. Seven, 4, 57, and 9. 49, 57. Now we are having issues with this. Possibly the receivers are the what? Are the 49 and 57. So possibly we need to check if the receivers are actually in order. 49 and 59. We can look at 49 and 57. We can look at the grounding. 49 is okay. 57. That is okay. 57 is okay. Okay. We've checked for time, so we'll check 17 and 9. 17 and 9. Grounding 17 and 9. 9 is okay. And 17 is okay. So let's go back to our details, IP profile. So let's hit it and see. So it means the groundings are okay. So if we continue giving us high chargeability, we might take it as noise. 1094 continues. We've taken this reading more than 10 times now. This particular number more than 10 times, and I think this is what we can get. Okay, let's try some other high values. This has actually refused coming down. It came down. This is 499. Then we'll look at this too.